Each of us is on a big journey that we call life. And within that big journey, we have lots of little side quests. These mini journeys might be a singular experience or many moments over a longer period of time. How do we appreciate each of these individual storylines? Tags can help. When you create moments in Real You have the option to add tags. Typically, tags capture activities and things unrelated to people and locations. Think of tags as a way to categorize your life into storylines. It could be anything from flowers to cookies to sunny days, activities like walks, games, concerts, or really any other interests you want to track. Maybe recipes, surf spots, movies. It's completely up to you. I'm going to add some tags to this moment about my hike. Then I'm going to swipe down and press save. Once moments are tagged, the search capability of the reel allows you to filter down to just the related moments. To filter my reel, I press the search button in the top right corner, then start searching for the thing I want to find. In this case, I want to take a look at all my hikes. I search, select, and press See Moments. Now I'm back on my reel, and I can really appreciate all my hiking moments. Here I'm scrolling through each of my hiking moments in the classic reel view. If I press the swap button in the top left, I can see a grid view with more moments at a glance. If I swap again, I can check out the countdown view. I've got my next hike planned in a little less than 2 weeks from now. So you can see, tags are a great way to help you capture and relive your journeys. The nice thing is my reel is dynamic, so I never needed to fiddle with albums or sharing settings or anything like that. All my hiking moments are just there, waiting to be rediscovered. So what type of journeys are you keeping track of? In the newsletter, we've dropped in some ideas on how to tag your moments. Let us know at RealU which journeys you've enjoyed documenting, and we'll see you next week.